Okay, I started smelling burnt electrical earlier. I got all the wires out of the way here. I cleaned the commutator. It was black. I don't think that's really going to do much. I got the power switch on. I'm going to control the power here. Let's see what happens. Oh, and I've got the Epcot valve open, so it's not going to build any air pressure. It's right now it's 0, so there shouldn't be any stress on this thing. Here we go. Ooh, that looks like bare metal. That's not good. Do it again. Can't be good. Oh yeah, stinky, stinky. Do it again. That looks like welding, don't it? Oh God, that can't be good. Yeah. Yeah, that's enough of that. Yuck. Thing is dead.